In the last 20 years, e-commerce overturned the retailing industry with its low-cost system. But one field was left untouched. That is home and garden. Because of the high middle costs, the final prices on home and garden items are usually 4 to 6 times higher than the factory prices. We are determined to change that. Decoraport combines the strength of physical stores and online stores, building a new retailing system. Our system is city-centered, online, and localized. Local unmanned showroom, local direct delivery, local one-stop service. We lower all the middle costs with the new retailing system, so our prices are 20 to 50% lower than any competitor. Super system, super prices. Decoraport, the power of new retailing.